Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to install mouse toggle on Android TV. 1. Enable developer options. Go to settings, about, scroll down and click on build multiple times until you are now a developer appears. 2. Allow apps from unknown sources. Go to settings, security and restrictions. Enable install from unknown sources for the browser or file manager app you are using. 3. Download Mouse Toggle APK. On your Android TV, open the Google Chrome or downloader app. Visit a trusted website like apkmirror.com or search for Mouse Toggle APK. Download the latest version of the Mouse Toggle APK. 4. Install Mouse Toggle. After the APK download completes, open it from the notification bar or the file manager. Click Install and wait for it to finish. 5. Enable Mouse Toggle. Go to Settings, Apps, see all apps. Find Mouse Toggle in the list and open it. Turn on Mouse Toggle and set it up. 6. Activate Mouse Mode. To activate Mouse Mode, press the Select button or OK on your remote twice quickly. You will now have a mouse pointer on your screen. Use your remote's D-pad to move it around. 7. Use Mouse Toggle. When you want to disable Mouse Mode, press the Select button twice again. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!